Sino ba si Miss MK before maging founder ng Queen Boss Society?
Siguro I must say that I am a young dreamer. At the age of 15 years old, I started working as a promo girl. And during that time, naging breadwinner na rin ako ng family. So at my young age, I think the situation forced me na talagang abutin yung mga pangarap and tumulong rin sa ibang tao. And after that, marami akong iba't ibang negosyo na ginawa. Kumukuha ako ng mga bracelets sa Quiapo, binibenta ko sa school, and then pumasok rin ako ng network. So doon talaga siya nag-boom when I started doing MLM business. And dahil rin sa mga racket at ginagawa ko before the community, napagtapos ko rin ng sarili ko sa college. So I am an accountancy graduate. And doon na nagsimula. Hindi na ako nag-work after ko makagraduate. Tinuloy ko na lang din talaga yung pagnenegosyo. And then, yun ako before being a founder of Queen Boss Society.
So, kailan ba na-establish ang Queen Boss Society?
Nagsimula siya, sobrang nakakatuwa dahil during the pandemic. During 2020, imagine, marami sa atin yung natakot, marami sa atin yung halos mawala na ng pag-asa ng pandemic. Pero kaming mag-asawa, hindi lang naman ako yung nag-start ng QBS. Siyempre, ibibigay ko rin yung credit sa husband ko na nag-support din and talagang tumulong. And during the pandemic, habang nakakulong kami sa bahay, doon namin naisip na let's start a community ng kababaihan na habang maraming nawawalan ng trabaho, yung mga mister nila nawawalan ng trabaho, itong mga housewives, itong mga misis, finally, it's their turn na makapag-provide naman sa family nila.
Okay. Yun pala yung nakita mo na may opportunity naman tayong pwede magawa. Actually, dun papasok yung if there is a problem, there is an opportunity.
Yes.
Kasi kung baga wala ka namang community before, pero dahil sa pandemic, dun ka nakahanap ng way para makapag-establish ng ganito ng kalaking community. And nagulat ako sobrang dami na ng followers nyo and ang dami nyo na rin talagang natulungan ng mga kababaihan.
Yes, and we're very proud that up to date, I think we have more than 25,000 ambassadors worldwide. And yung mga kababaihan na yon, iba't iba yung profession na. Meron talagang housewife, yun pa rin yung majority namin. Single moms, meron kaming mga students, we have professionals like doctors, lawyers, may mga accountants rin kami. So, from different walks of life, pero lahat nagkaisa for a mission to transform lives and empower more women.
Nakakatuwa kasi worldwide na pala ang Queen Boss Society, and that's the power of the internet.
Yes. So, 99% ng mga ambassadors natin, hindi ko talaga kilala at hindi kami magkakilala. Pero just because of the power of social media, nagkaroon talaga ng connection. And doon talaga yung attraction. You really attract those people who are still looking for an opportunity at the same time, who really wanted to chase their dreams.